Hello friend, in this video I am going to show you how you can easily update drivers on Windows 11 in any PC. Updating your driver is very necessary for your PC performance, and driver plays a very important role in your PC, so you have to keep them updated always. So first you will go to Windows icon in your taskbar and right click on it. Then you will go to Device Manager. In the Device Manager you will see different option. Here you can update driver of any particular option that you are able to see, like display, camera, audio, any system of your PC. For updating you have to right click on any of the particular option you are able to see, like display or anyone. Like I am showing you for display, you have to right click and go to update, so you will see this screen. You can see that best driver for your device is already installed, so you have to close this. Like this you can also go to update driver and update it manually. For this you have to go to browse my computer for drivers. After you go to browse my computers for drivers, the drivers available for your Windows or PC, the PC will show you to you. You have to download this drivers manually from your Chrome browser, then you can add this to this list and go to next option and install it. And also you can pick any of the driver available in your PC from this list. Like I have these two driver, you can try any of the driver one by one, whichever work for you, you can use them in your PC. Like this method you can update any of the driver in your PC of like sound or storage or anything. Here I am showing you about sound. You can see that you can also check the driver of sound. It is also the latest version of this driver. You can also update any of your driver by doing these all methods that I have shown you in this video. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thanks for watching this video.